Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a wise old man named Amos. Amos was known for his generosity and kindness. He always went out of his way to help others, and his heart was as vast as the open sky. One day, as Amos was tending to his garden, a young boy named Ethan approached him. Ethan had a reputation for being selfish and often took more than he gave. He noticed the vibrant flowers and delicious fruits in Amos's garden and couldn't resist the temptation. "Ethan, my child," Amos said with a warm smile. "Welcome. How may I help you today?" Ethan hesitated but then spoke. "I've heard your garden is the best in the village. I wanted some of your seeds to grow my own." Amos chuckled kindly. "Ah, my boy, I am happy to share. But remember, the seeds you sow determine the fruits you reap. Take these seeds and plant them with care and kindness." Ethan eagerly took the seeds and left, thinking only of the beautiful garden he would soon have. However, as time passed, Ethan neglected his garden. He watered it sparingly, didn't protect it from pests, and never bothered to remove the weeds. Seasons changed, and Amos's garden flourished with vibrant colors and bountiful harvests. In contrast, Ethan's garden withered away, producing feeble plants and scanty fruits. One day, realizing the error of his ways, Ethan went to Amos with a heavy heart. "I don't understand. I planted the seeds you gave me, but my garden is a failure." Amos smiled knowingly and said, "My dear Ethan, that kindness is like a seed. It requires nurturing, care, and attention. Your garden reflects the love and effort you put into it. Just as a garden needs water, sunlight, and protection, so does kindness need time, understanding, and sincerity." Ethan understood the valuable lesson Amos was trying to teach. From that day forward, he changed his ways. He began to sow seeds of kindness in the lives of those around him. He helped his neighbors, shared his resources, and showed compassion to those in need. Over time, Ethan's own life transformed. His garden flourished, and more importantly, so did the relationships with the people in his village. The once selfish boy had become a beacon of kindness, and his heart was now as vast as the open sky, just like Amos's. And so, the village learned that the seeds of kindness, when sown with love and care, have the power to blossom into a garden of joy and fulfillment for both the giver and the receiver.